Welcome to the Amazing Car News Channel.
The 2021 BMW M4 Coupe is arguably one of the most radical redesigns in the company's storied history. Not only does the two-door version of the also all-new BMW M3 feature dramatically different bodywork, including a comically large interpretation of the famous kidney grille, but the M4 is also profoundly powerful and looks to erase every performance record held by its predecessor. BMW also sticks to its roots by continuing to offer a manual transmission on the latest generation. While the stick shift isn't available on the competition variant, the auto-only comp has a more powerful version of the sublime straight 6, making 503 horses versus the core model's 473. Regardless of power output, the 2022 M4 has the handling and performance to excite drivers and honor the M cars of yore. BMW's excellent and all-new sports coupe also earned a spot on our editor's choice list for 2021. The 2021 M4 is all new and represents the nameplate's second generation. However, it has essentially taken the place of the old M3 coupe. While there's much ado about its controversially large kidney grille, the new M4 has a host of impressive enhancements over the outgoing version. For the first time, BMW will also offer the two-door M car with an all-wheel drive system that includes a rear drive-only mode for ass-out antics and a different type of driving behavior wheel. However, it won't be available until the 2022 model year along with the new fabric-topped convertible variant, which will only be offered in competition guise, a.k.a. no manual option, and start just under $90,000. There are a number of good reasons to spend the extra coin on the M4 Competition, including the extra horsepower and torque as well as the eventual availability of all-wheel drive. However, we choose the regular M4 for one really good reason: it's the only one with a satisfying manual transmission. We'd also opt for the lightweight and extra supportive M carbon bucket seats as well as the M Drive Professional package, onboard drift analyzer and lap timer, and the M Drivers package, which unlocks a higher top speed and includes a one-day class for high-performance driving. The M4 is motivated by a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six that comes in two potencies. The standard version makes 473 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. It pairs with rear-wheel drive and a 6-speed manual transmission. The competition model generates 503 horsepower and 479 pound-feet, but the lone transmission choice is an 8-speed automatic. While the M4 Comp will initially only be offered with rear-wheel drive, BMW will eventually offer a rear-biased all-wheel drive system. Every M4 comes with adaptive dampers, adjustable brake pedal feel, and an electronically controlled exhaust system that gets louder in Sport and Sport Plus drive modes. The loudness can also be turned down at any time by pushing the M sound button. BMW also provides an excessive amount of adjustable drive mode settings that we think can dilute the driving experience that BMW's engineers envisioned. Thanks for watching.